In the coming century, a lethal combination of stealth and firepower will revolutionize warfare on the high seas. Conceived as a means to get more ordnance on target more accurately, the stealth ship of tomorrow will carry multiple magazines of vertical launch missiles. Perfected on Baseline 2 ships of the Aegis Cruiser series, the vertical launch system brings a variety of smart missiles bear on different targets, gets in a complex battle environment. The future variant of the Tomahawk cruise missile will strike land targets more than 1,350 miles away. Updated standard surface-to-air missiles will defend the ship and her battle group from air and missile threats. Anti-submarine rockets, ASROCs, will knock out submarines. Salvos of smaller missiles will help defend the ship. Marked by a low silhouette, super-sensing radar arrays, and carrying remotely piloted surveillance aircraft, the ship of tomorrow will also incorporate mission-specific modules in the stern to accommodate amphibious assault teams, SEAL units, or even X-wing fighters. This is not a destroyer or cruiser. This is the Battlecruiser 2000.